real quick short video. Got this package here. I've been sitting in my car for a minute. So yeah, I'm about to put it on the hood scoops. No? Everybody has those little air intake scoops and stuff. I got some red ones, so I'm gonna go put that in. Bam, bam, bam. Let me pop this one real quick.
Everybody, at some point in time, everybody
got a nice set. These are aluminum, not them plastic on them. Simple.
Watch me now, watch me.
And then we'll just take out this screw, lift up this, and then just place it down in here. It'll be sitting down in the scoop, so you'll be able to see it through the grill. Yeah, so let's put that one with this here.
You gonna upgrade. So instead of having this, you'd have this.
No, it's still gonna be there, but it's gonna be in here.
Oh, it's gonna be under.
Yeah.
Yeah, the red suit.
I just need some red interior, but I don't want like a full red.
Black and red, or red stitches.
Not even that, but I want like red. That's not a bad idea too. Or just like the inside trim, like the bolsters stay black.
M4 seats. Wasn't you that tell me that the M4 seats fit your car?
Yeah.
Get the M4, the GTS.
And that's good enough for
or
me.
CTS, whatever the fuck it is.
Something like that, yeah.
That would be wicked for this.
Yeah, but that's nice.
Know what I'm missing? You got a ratchet.
That means you have fucking
My bedroom, we can make it use it.
No, I have it, I didn't take it out the truck.
I got the gun.
Oh, no.
around your age.
The good part about being in the shop, you get to use a little power tools. So here we go. Sit the right way.
Don't get me wrong, you're a senior man still. She works in MD in a city fucking.
Put this somewhere safe. I don't want to lose it.
The wife goes to Dada and she fucking Dada. Mr. John, this is the wife. I'll do that fucking.
I'm gonna need something to lift up this one. You got it?
It's not cheap.
Alright, let me go get the proper one. Yeah, so now you have to, after you pull out these, you gotta pop up this one. Hey, what? You have the right tools to make the job much easier.
You put the screws on.
Screws right here. You gotta pull out this thing. There you go.
That's a pull out master, you know. You gotta force it in now.
Hold on, take time for this one. Little wedge under there. There we go. And then this simply just drops in.
I like.
That's it. Yo, this is a real simple installation.
You like, yo, me need one then.
That's it. And then now it forces the air to come in.
And go straight
Go
up.
straight up.
Nice, nice,
So
nice.
if you look from back here, then there's the red accents.
Let's pull this out, make sure so everything alright. Man, I don't believe it. Question is, does it line up though?
Hold on. You gotta put them. Wait a minute.
Not that.
Things are not always as or not. Sometimes you feel like the job's that easy, but hold on. Let's see what it is. Hold on. Look at technical difficulty. I do want to put that slider on there.
Don't laugh at me, Mr. Baddest.
Yo, it's not all right. Correction. It's not as easy as I thought. So I think
I'm trying to figure out the thing.
most of them just drop in, but being that this one was fabricated, because we had this piece of setup is supposed to hook up under
This.
under here. So being that this one is here now, it's not sliding up under there.
Try
We'll try our next thing.
Try that thing. I'll try that thing. Alright, boom. Nope. So that's too far. Alright, maybe this work.
No, we gotta push it in further.
You know what it is? This shit don't stay back. I think
Sorry.
There you go. The thing underneath don't stay back. If you could get this part here to stay back.
The red part?
Yeah. The red part.
Oh, I see how it's done. We gotta adjust it while we're putting it in. So let me put the camera down.
Sorry, people, you can't watch this right now.
Because it works, but you just gotta play with it a little bit to get into the creases. And yeah, I can't hold the camera and do that. So as him say, I have to play with the girl them. So alright. So back real quick. It's done.
When you finish take care of business, then you can play with yourself how you want. But until you take care of business, you can't do them things. Thing line up.
And then as usual, if you want a set of these aluminum ones, not the cheap plastic one them, I'm gonna put a link in the description and get yourself up here. Comes in other colors, red, black, blue, yellow. And then you can even ask them to spray is it a custom color if you want? Or just do it yourself when you get it home, that's all. Alright, we're just putting this back together. Basically same way how you pulled it out. Oh, hold on.
Let me get a rubber band on top now.
Alright, so we're getting near close. Take a look.
This one little bit in there, we can take it, right?
You can check it out and see him, try to get a better view later.
Try that and see if it works. That shit lights off on you. Nice.
Like I said, very quick, fast install. Should be a cool upgrade. Looks good aesthetically, so we're gonna see if we put some more air into the intake or just sounds even better. But yo, aesthetics have to look good too, regardless if it's not just about power.
Real Jamaica man to that.
But some guys over here want all the power and all the function. But I still gotta look good while I have the power and the function, you know? If I pull up,
Listen,
you know?
Listen, when I can talk all that fuckery about when I look nice, when I'm pretty, when I fly past one on the road, you can't see the car, you know? When the car beat up, but it's a fly doing 200 miles an hour, you can't see it. It just a move. When you're slow, you look good.
See? At least this guy say he want a sleeper. He can't look all beat up. And that way, you know, you don't expect it. And then man just blow past you as if 200 miles per hour. But right now, we got an N52. We're doing 20 miles per hour cruising. Nah, we can put this on work still because we got some plans enough to do N52 that's probably supercharged or something a little bit different, nothing crazy.
I'm ready. Whenever you get the kit, I'm ready. When you get the kit, I'm installing it.
It's just that, you know, you see the price of those kits, you know, couple grand. It's like 4 grand?
4 grand.
No thanks, boss. So we'll see how that go.
It's cheaper to turbo these shits.
But you know what it is? You could throw a turbo, supercharge it. I just want to do something different.
Nah,
You understand?
So the way the superchargers on these work, it's a centrifugal supercharger, so it look like a turbo.
Yeah. I think most likely I'll just put it same place with the airboxes in this.
That's what
Yeah, it's a nice simple setup. Compared to the turbo, all this got to be pulled and rerouted.
So me, who has that already? All of my M54s are ready for turbo. My M50 and my M54 are ready for turbo. Because I have none of this here. Delete all of that. The E90 I have is the only one not ready for turbo. But the 54, the 46 and the 36 are ready for turbo.
And my reason I would even say turbo this, the all-wheel drive and then the weight. If I forget another E90, the straight rear-wheel drive, and I go crazy and do a turbo.
Nah, but when you have an E90, you don't turbo an E90. You just buy a turbocharged E90. When you have E46,
It needs to be do something different. Man, you go on YouTube, there's tons of people got, you know, 235s doing work into a single turbo.
True.
How much E90s, N52s you see or N51s you see on YouTube? It's not a lot though. It's not a lot.
Yeah, them white boys don't play, bro.
So, I want to do something different. But you know, this is gonna be the fun. I'd say it's the fun daily. Still can manage it, but now when we get something else that we could go crazy with.
When you buy an E36, you can do whatever the fuck you want. That's why I'm a bike.
My E90 and my E46. Daily street driven car.
Of course, street driven make it feel nice.
My
Looks
E36
nice.
don't catch that for
But
nothing.
that's a race car. That's a street race car right there.
No, it is my legally registered and insured race car. There's a difference.
Alright, you got that? Man said legally street race car, right?
Street legal.
Alright,
race car.
street legal race car. It's passed all inspections because you just have to worry about safety, nothing else.
It's just it.
Yo, that's one thing about New York. When your car's what, 92 and below?
96 and up.
96 and up has the OBD2, so it has to be connected OBD.
Safety and emissions.
Safety and emissions. Anything below that is just safety. So you get away with more when you have a E36.
E36 before 95, because the 96 ones have OBD2.
Okay.
96, 97.
Anything with that OBD2, you're good.
No,
basically.
you're bad. Anything with OBD1, you're good.
Brother, that makes sense, but now you're able to do whatever. In the sense of for New York State.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I can do whatever.
Yeah.
Yo, standalone ECU is next. Oh, yo, dog, me I study.
You know what? Right now we're talking about this car. Let's give you a quick walk around of this project. That's
Finally,
that's coming.
E36.
So yo, let's go over there. Hold the camera while I roll. You can follow me.
You have to follow the madman. You open my brakes when I wheelchair there. Custom built lightweight aluminum.
I'm gonna take by the camera now. Chris is gonna do all the talking for this one, because this is Chris's baby, really. The E36. The street legal race car. E36. Brother.
Yo, what's up? So, the E36 this project is inspired by Ryan Torque, who has a FRS street legal race car. It has the same components in his Formula 1 drift car is in his street car. So my goal is to do the same thing with this. This is going to be a full track ready car that can drive on the street. Don't pay no mind to the flat tires and the way it's sitting. That's to keep them boys at bay. Because if you really know what's going on, and if you really see how I'm investing into this here, you know more than to look twice at this car. Because when you look at it once, it's because it's parked. The second time you look at it, it's gone. So, like I said, this right here, fully inspired by Ryan Torque. Me and Baddest are teaming up together. So, the Baddest Media, Island Auto Works as always, gonna come together, and y'all gonna be seeing this at the track. We're trying to get this thing ready. So all the stuff is here. We're gonna do the manual swap. We're doing the suspension. We're doing roll cage, strut tower brace. Don't open. Strut tower brace, interior tear down, ECU, standalone ECU, big brakes. Yo, you name it, is going on the car.
Yeah, that auto is switching out. You can see some parts in there already. Only good parts going in. Yeah.
Yo, big wheels in the back. I want to show you the big wheels, you know? Big wheels is a secret. I want to give away my tricks.
So let's walk around.
Yeah, man. Like I said, in case you didn't know, no, this is not an M. I don't buy M's. M's is for rich people. I'm not rich. I'm hard to work. Just get a quick look. I got this on a steal from my boy. I appreciate him so much. My boy Smurf handed this over. Like I said, it's the Avis Blue, and it's not an M3. Definitely not an M3, but when I'm done with it, you swear I say it faster than every M3.
Alright, so that's the quick scoop on this. Thanks for watching this video. Quick installation of the intakes, but it was mainly about this E36. So yo, stay tuned for more content coming up on the E36, more on the M3. The drop top, we really don't really talk about it much, but I got a video coming up. I'm showing the new radio that we switched into that. So yo, stay tuned. Baddest Media, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff.